Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. With Christmas coming up, I thought we should have a go at making some decorations. So in the next 3 videos, we're going to have a go at making some clay models. But before we get started, click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon so you get notified every time we release a new video. For today's model, we're going to be making a snowman. This cheeky little fella. If you think he looks cute, let me know by typing cute in the comment section below. Starting with white clay. I'm using polymer clay, which you can set by baking in the oven. But you can use plasticine or Play-Doh, or you can use air drying clay if you've got some. Just going to add in some vents for the nose and the 2 eyes. Just makes it easier to position his features when we put them on. Now we're going to make him a little blue hat. A little bit of light blue for the trim and the bubble. I'm going to use a pizza cutter just to trim the edge of my clay. Now a little bit of clay for the bubble. Now we can make some eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of black clay. And a little bit of orange clay for his carrot nose. Right, that's his head. Now we need a body. Now we're going to make a couple of arms. So we need to make 2 little sausages. And we flatten one end and then mould a little hand at the other end. So we do the same on this one. Little hand, flatten the other end. Right, that looks about right. I'm going to give our snowman some black buttons down the front. Right, now for his scarf. I'm just going to use a can. I haven't got a rolling pin, so this will do. So now we've attached his head, we can wrap the scarf around his neck. Then we can snip it off with scissors. We'll finish this scarf in a minute. I want to put some legs on first. Alright, so again we're going to flatten one end and then we're going to make a foot on the other end. And stick it on. Flatten one end and make a foot on the other end. That looks quite good. We can finish his scarf now. There we go, one little snowman, your very own Olaf.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click here to subscribe to our channel, where you can watch more videos on great things to make and create. You can also click on the thumbs up icon below to give us a like, or leave a message in our comment section.